If you're encountering fail to connect to the Rockstar Games Library Service on GTA 5 Launcher, here's how you can fix this. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the most convenient troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue. First is to make sure that the GTA 5 or the Rockstar Games Library Service is enabled and not disabled. To double check that, just go into the search icon on your Windows logo right here, type in run, hit on enter, and then from run, type in services.msc. Once you hit on OK, you will be prompted with a new window from the services that is currently running on your computer. Now click anywhere on this option and then just simply hit R on your keyboard so that you will be redirected into the Rockstar Games Library Service. So say for example, this is going to be the Rockstar Games Library Service. Simply right click on that and then go into Properties. From here, go into Startup Type, switch or change it into Automatic, and then hit on Start. And once the service status is starting, hit on Apply, hit on OK, relaunch your GTA 5 launcher. Next is by turning off your Windows Defender firewall. Go back to here, type in Firewall, and then choose on Windows Defender Firewall. Now to turn off your firewall, just go into Turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off, and then just simply turn off both of this option. And once this specific issue or this specific troubleshooting steps helps you, just simply go back here and turn it back on. So those are the basic things that you can do for you to fix fail to connect to the Rockstar Games Library Service error on GTA 5 Launcher.